Are you one of the many frustrated business owners trying to grow or scale up their business, or maybe just keep your head above water? Could be cash flow issues, productivity, profitability. Maybe you're just squeezed, feeling trapped, working in the business with no time to work on it. Often I hear that business was meant to be a vehicle for financial independence, but sometimes the financial rewards just aren't there either. What can be done? The first step is our 2-day Turbocharge Your Business workshop. Now I know what you might be thinking. Where am I going to get 2 days out of my busy schedule to attend a workshop? But isn't that just the point? We hear from our clients that they want and need detailed advice, but what they're getting instead is just an ad hoc meeting here or there, or a quick 1-hour tax planning session. It's not getting to the heart of the issues. And deep down, our clients know they need to invest that time in their business. Now, we're not going to solve all the issues in 2 days, but what you will come away with is a blueprint for business success that you can use over the next 12 to 18 months to grow your business and increase profitability. Your investment in our 2-day Turbocharge Your Business workshop comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If after completing the workshop you don't believe that implementing the strategies learned will add value to your business, then I'll refund you. It's as simple as that. I'm David Lasworth, Director of Peak Private Accountant. I'm a business advisor and an accountant with over 30 years experience in helping business clients grow and be successful. Turbocharge Your Business is the launchpad to business success. I'll show you how to take control of your business, how to have consistent cash flows and profits, easy growth strategies that work, and business success techniques. Registering for the event is easy, but don't delay. There's only a maximum of 15 people per workshop. This is so I can give you the detailed attention that you need. Registering is easy. Just click on the button. That will take you to our secure online form where you can register for the event. You'll get a PDF copy of all the information for your records that will be emailed back to you. As a bonus, you'll also get a 30-minute phone call or video meeting with me prior to the event so that I can get a basic understanding of your business. I'd love to see you there, but don't delay. Any questions, just email me. Thanks for watching.